AI isn't just digital anymore. It has finally stepped into a physical body. Meet the UWORLD U1, the first mass-produced ultra-bionic humanoid built for home interaction. It uses a fast and slow architecture, edge computing for millisecond reaction, cloud for deep reasoning. With 88 degrees of freedom, its movement is fluid, precise, and human-like.
Bionic skin and sensors allow it to feel touch and react to your environment in real time.
It doesn't just listen. It reads the room. It recognizes mood and adjusts its behavior accordingly.
Beneath the movement, the Agent Memory OS creates a persistent digital life framework, remembering past interactions to build a true personality.
Unlike standard AI, your data stays local. A 3-layer privacy architecture ensures your personal life remains strictly yours, not in the cloud.
Its proactive care engine doesn't wait for commands. It uses situational awareness to respond to your environment before you even ask.
Safety isn't an afterthought. An integrated end-to-end framework manages physical force and social interaction limits, ensuring it's a safe companion for the home. From 13,000 plus initial orders to a new standard of living, we are witnessing the rapid shift from functional tools to emotionally responsive companions. The schematic is clear. The era of human-robot symbiosis is here. Subscribe to Tech Schematic Official for the next breakdown.